About Goddess Kurma Avatar sadhanas. Lord Kurma Avatar. Kurma Raja Tortoise King is the second avatar of Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu. Avatar Kurma is most commonly brought in the Puranas post Vedic literature with the story of churning of the ocean of milk, the Samudra Manthan. In the post Vedic literature in Bhagavata Purana, Kajabam, Kamada, Akapura, Ambukara Atmana, and all of which means tortoise. A tortoise is also called as Akapura because it can only be in the ocean, needs unlimited or immeasurable area to swim on account of shallowness. Kajabam denotes tortoise, a protection, Lord Sun, ocean, all these are unlimited. Kacham denotes mouth, shell, a cover. Kamada also denotes tortoise, ascribed to Lord Vasudeva. Sage Kashyapa is also called as tortoise, who is the progenitor of all living beings, with his 13 wives, including vegetation. Why did Lord Vishnu incarnated as Kurma Avatar? In the legend, Samudra Manthan, churning of the ocean of milk, is linked to Kurma, the base of churning rod. The churning process was elaborate. Mount Mandranchal stood a churning tool as dasher. Vasaki, the king of serpents, extending as churning rope. The Devas held the tail of the Vasaki and Asuras held its head while churning, pulled the rope alternately so that the mountain takes a rotation in order to churn the ocean of milk. But to the surprise, the mountain started sinking into the ocean floor. Once it was placed, all were losing their confidence. But Lord Vishnu, in the form of turtle, a gigantic tortoise, Kurma, came to the rescue of the team who supported mountain on his back. Using Kurma as a pivot point, the Asuras and Devas continued the churning process back and forth again. The gigantic tortoise stood as a pivot access point, supported the base, ensuring high resistance level. Of course, in the churning process includes sage Kashyapa sons, the Devas, born from Aditi, and Asuras, born from Dhanu and Viditi, and the Naga, born from Kadru, as a churning rope to obtain nectar, the Amrita. All look good to the universe. When Lord of the universe, Lord Vishnu, took the form of giant tortoise in the form of Kurma to churn the ocean milk, stood beneath the Mantranchal mountain as churning rod, leaving a beautiful impression, gave Kurma a pleasure of balancing the opposing forces of Asuras and the Devas while churning the rod of Mount Mandranchal in the milk ocean for nectar of immortality. Lord Kurma Avatar of Lord Vishnu is cosmic energy of churning our conscience. Lord Vishnu, in order to restore Dharma, he manifests in different form at different age, saves the universe from adharma. Lord Vishnu as Kurma has been living in every aspect of our life, which being number one, as Vayu, breathe in the body, invokes Upa Prana functions in the area of eyes, helping in controlling the opening and closing of eyelids. The energy of Upa Prana is active when our eyes are open and closed when we sleep. So, as Kurma, Lord Vishnu protects the eyes from pollution of dust and foreign particles. Number two, as Kurma Nadi is a tortoise nerve, is relating to controlling our mind, thoughts in yogic posture. When we say Nadi, it denotes vein, artery, or any tabular organ of the body, is generally located in the upper chest below our throat, but it is also refers the placement of Kurma Nadi to Mooladhara Chakra, which is the root and basis of existence. As Kurmasana, the tortoise posture, is a yoga posture, has a great physical benefits, gives a flexibility in the body for various types of forces, has a capability of curing major health problems. Kurmasana promotes metabolic functions in the body, induce musculoskeletal system, elevate immunity as Paniga Chapika, the hand tortoise, a special positioning of fingers symbolizing Kurma during worship, a thanks extending posture to lead a quiet and peaceful life with dignity, godliness, and honestly seeking Lord Vishnu's mercy and blessings. As Kurma Chakra, portrayed as tortoise, is a powerful tool and yantra to know the auspiciousness of any place for worship. In ancient days, this yantra is used to predict the life and demise of a king of a country when someone wished to know if he is living now or dead. This tool and yantra is a mathematical and mystical diagram for worship in the shape of a tortoise. Last but not the least is here, churning refers to churning of mind through meditation to attain moksha. Kurma Avatar of Lord Vishnu. What are the teachings to our life? Number one, in the Vedic scriptures, Pancha Vimsa Brahmana and Jaiminiya Brahmana, the cosmic turtle Agapura, is equating Lord Kurma Avatar, a firm and steady person, even under turbulence of churning the ocean, to save the drink of immortality from falling into the wrong hands and restoring the divine balance in the universe. Kurma Avatar tortoise have strong willpower, encounters danger, protect itself from enemies, drawing its limbs and head inside its shell. Once free from danger, extracts its limbs and head outside the shell, which denotes control over mind and senses, who can retract and extract at the needs of the situation, is an enlightened soul. Number three, tortoise are yogic symbol of pratyahara and antarmukhi, a spiritual symbol which means a sense of deeper self, inward bounded. Number four, tortoise is a symbol of inward self, which is self awareness, self realization, continuous learning, passionate of self, assessing good and bad time. Number five, withstand extreme danger or disturbances and at the same time slow and cautious and focused. Tortoise protect themselves well by withdrawing its personal appearance at the wrong time, reappear at favorable circumstances. The conclusion is to maintain peace, be patient, face challenges, and at the same time be wiser to withdraw from unfavorable circumstances in order to sustain and survive. Work out strategies to attain balance of life in both positive and negative situations, regardless of circumstances. Be true to yourself, stay in equilibrium, self possessed. At favorable time, gain momentum, and at weak time, go slow. May demand high level of flexibility, mindful concentration, and also be gentle, will win all challenges and race in life. Kurma Avatar Gayatri Mantra. Chanting Kurma Avatar Gayatri Mantra on daily basis clears all problems in life. Chanting on Wednesdays and Saturdays is also auspicious. You may also chant this Gayatri Mantra on Ekadasi or full moon day. All chanting can be initiated either at Brahma Muhurta or at sunrise or during Buddha Hora of the day. The Gayatri Mantra is dedicated to Lord Vishnu in the form of Kurma Avatar. Bless huge wealth gains, clears financial problems, debts, and dues, negate Vastu Dosha, settles all legal problems and lawsuits, grants success in ventures, growth in career, high returns in day trades and speculations, vanishes all sorrows. Bless natives with happy, prosperous, and peaceful life. ॐ नमो भगवते कुंकूर्माय धराधर धुरंधराय नमः। ॐ नमो भगवते कुंकूर्माय धराधर धुरंधराय नमः। ॐ नमो भगवते कुंकूर्माय धराधर धुरंधराय नमः। ॐ धराधर विद्महे पाशहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो कूर्म प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धराधर विद्महे पाशहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो कूर्म प्रचोदयात्। ॐ धराधर विद्महे पाशहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो कूर्म प्रचोदयात्। Kurma Avatara Moola Mantra. Chant Beach Mantra 108 times. Benefits of chanting Moola Mantra: bless righteousness, restore peace and sanity, attain powers of wealth, name and fame, social status, dispels sin, sorrows, win enemies, maintain balanced mind, attain willpower, confidence in our tasks, face challenges in work, attain self realization, victory, enrich courage and strength. Om Aim Shrim Hrim Kum Kurmaya Namaha. Om Aim Shrim Hrim Kum Kurmaya Namaha. Om Aim Shrim Hrim Kum Kurmaya Namaha.
Please subscribe to our Vedicfolks YouTube channel by clicking on the bell icon.